Happy Monday, everybody. Today I want to talk to you about consistency for your Motivational Monday video. So, the first thing I want to talk to you as far as consistency is we know the importance of it. It's not so much trying to always hit these big goals every day, but it's those small little goals that we're working towards each day that are going to continue to add snowflakes to the big snowball effect. Eventually gets the ball rolling. So let's break it down and talk about three different areas that we stay consistent. So our physical activity, our movement. So staying consistent with our exercise is very important. But on the days that we aren't at the gym or that we're not able to get into the gym, make sure that we're moving. That means being able to walk the dog, get in our stretches. If you're here training with us at Progressive Health and Performance, you have your corrective sheet. Take at least 5 to 10 minutes each day to get your body moving, get your heart rate up. Number 2 is our nutrition, staying consistent with making our healthy choices. It's okay to hiccup every now and then, but if we do, get back at it. It's always that consistency. It's the next day that is going to make us improve each day. How do we recover from a bad day of eating? The next day we just get right back on it. 1 out of 14 days isn't going to be bad. 1 out of 3 days isn't going to be bad as long as we continue to improve each time. And number 3, being consistent with being prepared. Are we continually checking our schedule? What does the day look like? Are we organized? Are we setting up our environment? I spoke last week about planning, preparing, and strategizing. Are we staying consistent with those small goals? Are we setting up our clothes? Are we packing our lunches? All those things are going to help save us time, and the consistency, again, we just add to the snowball. So if you guys have any questions or any struggles with your consistency, let myself or Coach Rudy know. We would love to sit down with you and chat about it. Until then, guys, keep progressing your health.